The Enemy by Pearl S. Buck. You have already gone through the summary of the text and you must have read the story from your text. Today we are going to focus on the important points, the theme, character sketches and other aspects of the story. The Enemy by Pearl Buck. About the author. Pearl Sinden Stricker, that is what she was born as, was born on the 26th of June 1892 in Virginia, US, and she died on the 6th of March, aged 80, in 1973 in Vermont, US. She was not only a writer but also a teacher. She taught English for a long time in China. American by nationality, English was the language she used to express herself. Pulitzer Prize winner in 1932 for her book The Good Earth, talking about the Chinese, and she won the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1938. When she married John Lossing Buck, she added Buck to her name. We must look up the Hippocratic Oath. The Hippocratic Oath, the term comes from the father of medicine, Hippocrates. Hippocrates was born in 460 BC and he died in 370 BC. He was a Greek and he wrote many books, and of course he is famous for the Hippocratic Oath, the oath that all doctors take on the day they receive their degrees. The oath summary is such: respect your teacher, pledge your life to the service of others, place your patient's interests before your own, protect your patients from harm and injustice, treat all patients equally, respect patients' right to make decisions, continue to improve the care you give, do not become intimate with patients, try to prevent as well as cure disease, protect your patients' confidentiality, impart your medical knowledge to others freely. So, our doctor, Dr. Sadao Hoki, was also bound by the Hippocratic Oath, which forced him to take care of an American fugitive, even by risking his own life and the life of his family members. He believed that he was to treat all patients equally and not to become intimate with patients. Also, we see in the text where he tells Tom, the patient, the American soldier, don't tell me about anything about yourself, not even your name, though this boy later told his name to Hannah. Coming to the theme of the story deals with the conflict between a man's duty towards the state, his country, and to his own conscience as a doctor. The story raises questions about ethics of a human being at the time of war. Dr. Sadao has been brought up in the traditional and patriotic environment. He dislikes Americans, but at the same time, he's a doctor and cannot let the American prisoner of war bleed to death. The story condemns racial discrimination and hails the superiority of humanity above any other consideration. Superiority of humanity. This is what the text speaks about. Setting is the coastal town of Japan. Most probably it is the year 1941 during the Second World War. following Japan attacking Pearl Harbor. Though the time has not been mentioned, Japanese were hostile to the Americans. Any Japanese was actually ready to kill any American if found in their soil. So this was the attitude that the people had. The main characters of the story, of course, Dr. Sadao Hoki is our protagonist, a Japanese doctor who studied medicine in America and returned to Japan as the best surgeon. He was also researching on keeping wounds clean. Hana, his wife, Japanese, but the two met in America and they married when they came back to Japan to please their father, the father who was very Japanese in his thought. Though modern, he would not waver from tradition. Old general, Japan's army general, Sadao's patient. He was a cruel man in his prime years. Tom, an American soldier who got ashore near Sadao's house following a serious injury. Tom was treated by Sadao. The minor characters are Sadao's father. We don't see him, but his presence is felt in the first part of the story very strongly. A true die-hard Japanese, blindly patriotic, he did not allow any foreign articles at home. Yumi, Sadao's maid, in charge of the babies, she was attached to the babies. Gardener, Sadao's gardener, who was in service since Sadao's father's time. The cook, also an old man with the family from his father's time. An officer who just comes to give the message that the general was ill. Sadao, if you're looking at his character, he's a surgeon, scientist, spent time abroad, but not sent abroad with troops for two reasons. Was working on his discovery, rending wounds entirely clean, leaving no scar, and because the General Takima, might need an operation and trusted only on Sadao. Sadao's house was built on the coast, stone house set upon rocks, pine trees around, and islands, many islands could be seen from his home, islands which Sadao's father said were stepping stones for the future. He had to go beyond the islands for his education. He had to go to America for better education. Sadao's family members, Sadao's father, good but serious, never joked or played, very traditional. Never used a chair or a bed, sat on the floor, slept on a mat in traditional Japanese way. He's dead when the story begins. Sadao's wife is Hana, and Sadao met her in America in his professor's house. They did not marry in a hurry. After completing their courses, they came back to Japan and then, to respect their father, got married in the most traditional manner, though they were modern in their outlook, had 2 children. The story begins when the man was flung out of the ocean on a cloudy night. Sadao and Hana were in the veranda. The man was flung by the waves. He staggered. He was conscious for a few moments. Then he fell down. And thinking that he was a fisherman whose boat had been wrecked, they rushed to find him only a white man. And then the dilemma comes in, whether to protect him, whether not. Finally, he is taken care of, and at the expense of losing the servants, Sadao, the couple, Sadao and his wife take care of the soldier, and when Sadao finally reports to General Takema, he plans to send 2 assassins to kill the soldier, but they never turn up. In the meantime, General Takema is operated upon, and when the assassins do not turn up for 3 nights, Sadao plans the soldier's escape to an island close by, from where he can escape in a Korean fishing boat. And in the meantime, the general has been operated upon, and when he is fit to be told, Sadao tells him about the escape of the soldier. General Takema is taken aback. He had forgotten to inform the assassins, and the blame of the escape of the soldier would now come onto him if the news got out. He asks for Sadao's help, and he blesses him, telling that he is a good man and he would be awarded. But Sadao gets its award when there was no flash from the island, which meant that the soldier had escaped, because Sadao had told him to report to him by flashing a torch once every night, and it was not actually in the night, just before sunset, so that only he would notice and others would not see a flash in the dark. But that evening, no flash appeared, which meant the soldier had escaped. So we will look at the other aspects of the text. We know about Hippocrates and the Hippocratic Oath. We will now look at the other things that we must from the text. Yes. General Takema. Hana remembers General Takema while watching the wounded man. He beat his wife, fought victorious battles, famous for torturing prisoners. The messenger from General Takema, Hana and Sadao, panicked on seeing the messenger, thinking that they had come to pick them up because the servants had reported the presence of the American. But the messenger had come to inform about the old general who was sick and in pain. Sadao was required to go right away to check on him. To conclude, the servants come back. The general was recovering from his gallbladder removal operation, surgery. In his suffering, he had forgotten to send the assassins. He accepted that he was careless, wondered if it was lack of patriotism or dereliction of duty. Sadao was now very safe. The general was in the palm of his hand. He had done his duty towards the general, towards the patient, and towards his country by reporting that the soldier was at his home to the general. At the end, we see Sadao is safe, but still the dilemma remains. Why? Why could he not actually hand over the soldier to the authorities? So humanity surfaces victorious above everything else. Thank you, students. Have a nice day ahead.